Hey everybody, it's Taylor at Boydston Grove, and today we're going to make a one-of-a-kind desk lamp. Christina and I love to go to IKEA, and we always stop by the sale rack just to see if we can find anything interesting. And it seems like we're always finding these light kits. They're really convenient for projects because you can put any kind of shade you want on them. You can hook them onto anything you want. They have a nice inline switch to control them with. But a little while ago we went to IKEA and we found these cool Edison bulbs on sale. So I thought, with the light kits and the Edison bulbs, it's about time we make a really cool desk lamp. Let's get into it. Now, you know I gotta say it, per usual, we're using all scrap wood. This time we're gonna use some tongue and groove cedar that I pulled out of a closet. Now, because I don't have a planer or a jointer, I'm gonna use my table saw to cut off all the edges of the boards and then just shave off the sides that have all the paint and debris on them. Once I decided how tall I wanted my lamp to be, I just cut one of my boards to that length and used a piece of carpet tape to attach it down to the surface of my cross-cut sled. That way I could use it as a template to cut all the other boards much quicker. Now, originally I saw a sample picture of this lamp online, but it just had plain straight legs. I wanted ours to have a little bit more originality and a little bit more design to it. So I decided to put an angle at the top and the bottom of each of the legs. Once I decided on the angle I wanted to use, I just screwed a hold down clamp to the surface of my crosscut sled and used that to hold the board in place while I made the angle cuts. Once I had the angles cut on the first board, I could use it as my template to cut all the rest of the legs. It made the cutting go much quicker. I think the natural look of this cedar is absolutely beautiful, so I don't want to cover it up with a bunch of finishes, but I am going to apply a couple coats of satin polyurethane just as a protectant. Now, this particular lamp design that we're making requires a platform in the middle. That's what the light fixture is going to go through, and then all the legs will connect around the sides. Now, you can use wood for this, and that was my original intention, but then after thinking about it a while, I realized that if we put the light fixture on the top like this, then all the light's going to be on the top of the fixture, and the bottom of the fixture is going to be completely shadowy and dark. So a way around that is I'm going to use a piece of plexiglass. That way our light will shine all the way through our light fixture. Now, there's no exact plans or measurements that I'm going off of. I'm basically playing it by ear and basing all my measurements off the size of this bulb. So I'm not going to attach any plans to this, but you get the gist of it, and you can base your plans based on whatever kind of bulb or light fixture you want to use in it. I picked up my piece of plexiglass at the local hardware store. They come in all different sizes and different thicknesses, and I think I paid around $6 for it. To cut my plexiglass into a circle and to cut all the notches, I'm just using a standard metal cutting blade in my jigsaw. With the notches that I put in the plexiglass and also the notches that I put in the legs, it's actually pretty rigid when you stick them all on. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put a little E6000 on each leg before permanently putting it together. And there you have it, our desk lamp is finished, and it came out way better than I expected. I really like the different tones in the cedar. It just really looks cool, and it has that whole mid-century modern vibe going on that I really like. The plexiglass turned out great. It allows the light to shine down on the bottom also. Came out really nice. Really enjoyed this project. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. If you want to see all our other projects, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video. And we would love to hear in the comments below what you thought of this project. Or if you have a cool lamp project you want to share with us, please put it in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.